నా పేరు కుషిత. నేను గచ్చిబౌలిలో ఉన్న సెల్బే స్టోర్కి వచ్చాను కొత్త ఫోన్ని లాంచ్ చేయడానికి. అండ్ ఇది Realme 11Pro 5G సిరీస్ విత్ 200 MP. సో ఇందులో ఏంటంటే క్యామ్ క్వాలిటీ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అన్ని ఫోన్స్ కంటే ఈ ఫోన్లో ఎక్కువ క్వాలిటీ ఉంది. సో మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న స్టోర్స్ని విజిట్ చేయండి. గెట్ ఇట్ నౌ. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Suhas Nalacheru. I'm the Director of Strategy and Planning at Cellbay. So today we are here at a Gachibowli location to unveil Realme's latest flagship series, which is Realme 11 Pro 5G series. So this phone, this series comes in two variants. One is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and the other one is Realme 11 Pro. So both of these are 5G series. So both of these phones, the physical structure of both of the phones is similar, with very few changes in specs. Okay, and basically both of these phones are beautifully designed with a premium look. The processor used in these phones is MediaTek 7050 processor, and both of these phones have curved LED display, so which is amazing at this price point. And another cool feature about this phone is this phone has a leather back, which is designed by Gucci designers. So this is another unique feature about this phone. 11 Pro Plus comes in two variants. One is 8GB RAM with the 256GB storage, and the second one is 12GB RAM with the 256GB storage, with a starting price of 27,999. And Realme 11 Pro comes in three variants. One is 8GB RAM with the 128GB storage. The second one is 8GB RAM with the 256 storage. And the third one is 12GB RAM with the 256GB storage, with a starting price of 23,999. So the sale for these phones have already begun, and these phones are available in all Cellbay stores. So do drop by your nearest Cellbay store to grab this phone. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Sudeep Nalacheru, the Director of Cellbay Mobiles and Electronics. I look after operations in Cellbay. As my brother Suhas has explained you about the features of the new Realme 11 Pro series, the phone is an absolutely amazing phone at the same at the price point, and grab the opportunity, grab the offer at your nearest Cellbay store. We are expanding very rapidly in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. Hope to see you in our stores soon.
Thank you.